Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to GMOD. Today we are on an interesting little map, kind of a zombie horror survival dealy. Woo! What are you? I like you. 200. Oh my god. The box must be glitched. I am loving it. I don't think I've ever had that much ammo in any game ever. That is nice. Okay, I like. Anyway, I generally don't do zombie shoot 'em ups, even in my spare time. But I thought, ooh, I want that. I want it. I want it. I thought, hey, you know what? Oh, no, that's not it. I've had that kind of day in which the merciless killing of zombies sounds like a great idea. Did you have one of those days where, ooh, hey, it's broken, I think. Yeah, come on, get over it. Get over it. Just get over it. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. That is not a joke for the internet to enjoy. Shut up. Ooh, I did it. I did it. So what's it here? 357 ammo. Shotgun. Nice. Oh, it just like continually respawns. That is awesome. I don't think I want to be trapped in here. I'm also not seeing a lot of zombies. I mean, this was a, horror zombie map. Ugh, that didn't sound good. That sounds actually quite horrible. That's one way to do it. Come on, break up. Screw it. Haha, jump through the fire and flames. I can't promise that's the lamest joke you'll hear from me. Are those the crossbow bolts? Yeah. Yay. Okay, cool. All the ammo does it. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's great. Huh. Let's get one more. Okay. I won't abuse this much. Hello? Undead things. I think we've all had those days where you just, ooh, I hear things. Where are you? Ooh, is that them? Is that them? It is them. Hi. There's one. I thought this was supposed to be like one of those maps where just like, you look, there's nothing, you look, and you're overrun. So far, not too bad. Nothing I can't handle. I have all these awesome weapons. And boom! Right in the head crab. Don't you hate it when someone just, decides to shoot you in your head crab? Or that was your shoulder. Ooh. Oh, now they're gonna, oh. See, that moment just happened again. Oh, shit. Okay, alright, something fast, wait, where's that big one I like? Oh my god. Oh my god, I've never actually used that on something. Holy balls. Oh no! Oh no! 10 kills. Next kill. Next target. 20. Okay. That was my ghost messages. Okay. Ignore the dog scent. Holy balls! You know that big ball thing reminds me of, right? You ever watch Men in Black? Impossible! But, oh god, what am I stuck on? What am I stuck on? Oh no! I don't know the ball thing, that's supposed to be a joke, a practical joke from some planet Emperor thing, that was funny as hell. It ricocheted throughout the entire office. You'd know it if you saw it. God. Okay, come on, come on, come on. No. You're just walking. You're walking past me. You're stupid. Come on, I can get it. Let's see. This is probably why everything like respawns so much. Too bad there's not like infinite pulse ammo. Oh. Okay, come on. This is where we fight. This is where they die. Oh, I'm just mowing through them. I'm mowing through them. Come on. Full-on puppy power right here. Let me at him. What the fucking crap? No, I'm out. I'm addicted. I guess he got the point. Thank you all. Oh, that really works. Look at it. Look at them all. Ooh, 50. Next, 100. Oh god, oh god. Okay, SMG time. Come on, we can do it, Oh no. Where's the... I need to find the thing that has all my bullets in it. Where is it? There's so many of them. Oh my god, where is it? This is it? Yep. Okay, anyway, full circle. Oh yes. Taste my blood. What the hell was that? Oh, no you don't. No you don't. No you don't. No, I said no. Whoa. Come on, I can make it to 100. Do you even know how many zombies I've killed in my lifetime? Oh, all their heads, come on. No, their heads are good. Fucking hell. Pistol ammo is useless like a 6.6. I blast your fucking head off. That's all I need. Yeah! That head thing almost has me dead. Okay. Is that, where is it? Where is it all? Just throwing things around. I see how you work. Oh. Whoa. Oh shit. Yeah. Stop throwing shit at me. Okay, I greatly appreciate it. Come on. Go. Skadoosh. Why do I need to spin the thing? I don't need to. I just look cool doing it. You really wish you were this cool. Oh, no. That's... Why did I walk into here? I don't know what's down there. I don't know what's down there. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to see it. Hi. Oh no. Dead. Nope. 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 Skadoosh. Okay, here we go. It's my body and we'll die by what you do. Come on. Oh, stay away from me. It's that kind of day. I'm so merry you all down. Yep. Wish I could find. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Come on. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? That's all I got. Oh, fuck you. Crabs. 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 How much? There's lots of little things. I've got to be nearing 100. What just hit me? What hit me? Go! Get it! Get it! Oh, I bet I can do this. Full Daryl Dixon mode. Channel it, right here. Boom! Yeah! Headshot. Oh, hi! I didn't even see you. Thanks. Alright. Sit down. Oh, right there. Boom! Oh, yeah. Oh, I just saw you spawn in. Oh my god. Do you see them all? This is not okay. Fuck that head crab. RPG round. Oh yes, please. Come on, where's that mass? Right there. Oh, yeah. What? Hi. I hope you're hungry. I've got snacks for all. Because I'm nice like that. Oh, shotgun. Yes. More. Yes. Hit me. I'm Dick Cheney. Is it too early to make that joke? I don't care. Stop it. No. Oh, come on. I'm about to die. Alright. I've got to make... I'd sit... Now that I'm at 10, I gotta make my final stand. Alright, come on! Come on! Where is it? Where is it? Where? You're in my stand! Oh shit. Now I really have to make a stand. Come on, come on, come on. Here I go, here I go. You fucking cheater! Why is it saying physics prop? It's a toilet. That wasn't a toilet. Oh. Yes, my player model is a Springtrap from Five Nights 3. Alright, that was really that was really fun. I had that was definitely interesting. I will leave a link in the description below to the if you want to give this map a shot. I think it's really fun, definitely interesting. I didn't really get to finish my thought here. What I want to do is stand by the SMG ammo, let it spawn in, and just try and mow as many as I could down. But some asshole decided to throw a barrel at me, Donkey Kong style. So that didn't get a chance to happen. So you didn't get to see it. Anyway, if you liked the video, I'm glad. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. Remember to stay tuned for more from me here at the Mucking Experience. And I will see you all What's up?